is spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now I am in Kendrapada. In 1st April 1993, Kendrapada district was created from the mother district Cuttack. Kendrapada is the administrative headquarters of Kendrapada district. The district covers an area of 2644 square kilometer. There are total 1592 villages in the district. Comparison 1440361 population as for 2011 census. In the present scenario of administrative setup, there are 9 blocks, 9 tahsil, 1 subdivision in the district. There are 249 gram panchayat, 15 police station, 2 ULBS functioning in the district. Kendrapada municipality was established in 1869. First municipality of Odisha. Kendrapada district has a moderate climate. The temperature in the region can go to 40 degrees Celsius in summer, while in winter the temperature can drop to 10 degrees Celsius. Agriculture is the prime source of income of the district. A little more than 70% people dependent on agriculture. Rice, groundnut, green gram, black gram and jute are the main crops grown in the district. However, frequent of nature calamity as a cyclone, flood and drought has broken the backbone of the people. In order to survive under these conditions, people go for cultivation of their staple food crop, rice during Rabi in the ISL irrigated areas. Jute in the main cash crop the district grown since long. Groundnut is the important oil seed crop of the district. Coconut is the important horticulture crop in the district. Kendrapada district is well known as the Tulsi Khetra. If you unveil the fact that Lord Balaram killed Kandrasura here, then he married his daughter Tulsi and settled here. Since then the place is known as Kendrapada. The economy of district is mainly dependent upon cultivation. Out of 100 workers in the district, 68 area engaged in the agricultural sector. The economy of the district is primarily rural and based on agriculture and allied activities. More than 75% of the total population earns livelihood from the primary sector. The district is one of the relatively developed districts, particularly in the field of education. There are many important educational institutions of Kendrapada district, like Kendrapada Autonomous College, Tulsi Women's College, Dinabandhu Sahu Law College, Marsaghai College, Patamundi College are the important colleges of the district. Balai is one of the training institutes of the district. Kendrapada Government Polytechnic Chhota is one of the government technical institute. There are many prominent tourist places in the Kendrapada district. One of the famous spots is Bhitarkanika National Park. The most popular Buddhist nest Udayagir, Ratnagiri are just 10 to 15 kilometer drive from Kendrapada. Sri Baladevji temple is the most popular temple of the district Kendrapada is known as the Tulsi Khatra. Kendrapada district celebrates many festivals around the year like Rath Yatra, Gajalakshmi Puja, Durga Puja, Dolo Yatra. Rasavali is the sweet dish from Kendrapada, India. Rasavali is offered to Valdeviju and originated in the Valdeju temple of Kendrapada. It is one of the Chapana Bhoga of Jagannath temple. It consists of deep fried flattened reddish brown patties of chena that are soaked in thickened sweetened milk. Flattering in the chena into palm-sized patties in down in order to allow them to absorb the milk more readily. The thickened milk is also usually lightly censored with crushed cardamoms.